Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu fingers using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients, including ladyfingers, mascarpone cheese, and a strong espresso. It's important to have your dairy ingredients at room temperature for a smoother cream. Next, brew a fresh cup of espresso and allow it to cool down completely before you begin assembling. This simple preparation ensures a perfect start to your delicious dessert. Now let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. In a bowl, beat 3 large egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick. Then, gently fold in 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese until it's fully incorporated and smooth. In a separate chilled bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. This will give our cream a light and airy texture. With our cream ready, it's time for assembly. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled espresso, being careful not to oversoak them, as they can become soggy. Arrange a single layer of these espresso-dipped ladyfingers in your chosen serving dish. Then, spread half of your delicious mascarpone cream evenly over this first layer. Repeat these steps to create a second layer, ensuring a good balance of flavors. Finally, the hardest part, waiting. Cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even better, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. It's truly a delightful treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade tiramisu fingers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.